Look at them. All right here waiting to get fed. All right. Another beauty day here today. It's like 35 degrees Celsius. Look at all the lily pads there. These have really like woken up. And then these guys here, these little yellow ones, they've opened right up. So these are wild. They're still cute. There's another actually one right beside the yellow one in the middle that's coming up. There's a couple on this side. I fertilized them like crazy. So like that's the most I've ever seen in one shot. So that's a great start to the blooms. So let's check out the skimmer. Well, it's pretty, there's a whole bunch of the maples are dropping all their keys there. Just empty it. It's not the best job, but I'm just clean out this. Bit of maintenance. There's a whole bunch of June bugs here. And a lot of people don't like June bugs. Alright, so it's done just like that. Boom, boom. Look at that. That is a flower coming up from the lilies. There's one over there too. It's coming. I can't wait. Lots of greenery. These are high bush cranberry. They're blooming. And look at these purple irises. Aren't they so pretty? Look at that. It's beautiful. Yeah. Oh. The frogs are saying hi. Oh, and here, look. That's my elephant ear right there. I cut a whole bunch of the leaves and I thought I killed it. She's not dead. So super excited by that. And all this wild grass, I got those out of the ditch I think 2 years ago. My elderberries are gonna start blooming soon. And then I've oh, this is another high bush cranberry. I got two in here. Oh, here's another purple iris. It's about to bloom. That stuff's waking right up. Oh, I forget what these are called. And then those flowers there. Look, this is horseradish. Oh, okay, so big news, big news. Yeah, this is huge. So, right here, I have decided. So, the crash is going to be about this. That's about like from the bottom to where the lip is here. So, I'm actually going to cut it right here to right here. Put a notch so for sure that's where the water comes out. That's about, I would say, I don't know, like a 3-foot drop. 2.5 to 3-foot drop. And then it's going to crash down there. And then there's going to be another crash from here. And then I think I'm going to build it up a little bit there and then there. So I need to move this pile over. I don't want to touch my horseradish there. So I'm going to be strategic with how I do it. And yeah. So next, I'm going to throw the liner in. Let's just do it. I'm going to build it up a bit more. That's the next thing. Build it up like the sides. I think the way this is going, the kids are just going to have to lift their feet. We'll see. We're gonna make it work. We're gonna make it work. I'm a little nervous about that. I'll be honest with you. And yeah, these guys here, my water lettuce. It doesn't look the greatest, but it's growing. Oh, look at our frogs. Hello, Mr. Froggy. Hello, Mrs. Froggy. And then these guys here, I forget what these are. Maybe someone can name it in the comments. Look, there's Blue Nose coming to say hi. She's like, give me some more food. I gotta get this dart out of here. Kids, eh? So, oh, another exciting thing. So these aren't blueberry or blackberries. They're like, they're a cross, a beer can. They're a cross of some sort. I cannot tell you for the life of me. I wonder if but they're a cross of some sort. It's between a blackberry and a raspberry. Anyways, they're blooming. Super stoked. There should be some berries this year. I'm super duper excited by that. And then yeah, over here I've just been like watering. We got these I planted wildflowers, and like in this section here, this is the only area that really took off. There's some poppies there last year, so I don't know if the poppies will come back. Here's my my strawberries. So there's still some green. They were in the bag for a while. I got those from my neighbor. And then here's the bed that my son and his pal did. It's looking pretty good. Like, and I threw some gladiolus, little bulbs in there. So who knows? It might take off. So now I got to figure out the liner. So I'm gonna put rocks here, and I have to build this up. I do have soil. This is what it looks like from the back end. Yes, I use tie wraps, but it's just kind of keep all the wood together to the T-bar. It actually is like pretty good, but I'm gonna build it up. I still want space between the door and here. Like, there's not a lot of space there. Anyways, we're gonna, it is tight quarters here. Look at this beautiful flower. It's actually, the flower's starting to die off. This is, it's a Wistera. So it's like zone 4. Anyways, it's growing on itself. It just wants to grow. I need to plant it. I was gonna actually plant it here so it can take over this back end. But part of me doesn't want to do that. I want to be able to see this thing. So I might put it on the side. I don't know. We're going to see. I'm not too worried about this part. Yeah. But yeah, this is coming along. So I think what I was telling my kids is I'm going to put some rocks, some bigger rocks here as stepping stones in order to get there, because we've always walked like this way up to the bog to go check out the bog. So I think that's what I'm going to do. And I think I'm going to build it up because like there's all that liner showing. Yeah. I don't know. I'm not sure. It's all work in progress. There's the froggy there. But things are growing. And yeah, we're just going to keep at her. Super stoked. Things are coming along. Yeah, the growth is nice. There's the power heads there. And they're like swimming over top of it. The power heads get so crammed with crap right now. Like there's just so many things falling down. So anyhow, yeah. Okay, well that's it for now. Have a good day. Bye-bye.